Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix search is not working on TikTok. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on TikTok, click the sign up now option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, the TikTok's search feature is the fundamental tool that allows users to discover new content, find creators, and explore trends. So, obviously, when search isn't functioning properly, it detracts from the overall user experience, leading to, of course, frustration and dissatisfaction among users. Now, TikTok relies on its search features to help users discover a wide range of content, including videos, hashtags, and accounts. When search isn't working, users may miss out on valuable content that aligns with their interest, leading to decreased engagement and retention on the platforms. Now, we are going to explore 3 ways to fix the TikTok search not working. And the first option that you should go into and explore is basically check the internet connection, because as we all know, poor internet connectivity can sometimes cause issues with the TikTok's search feature if you are using the web. All right, for example, you're on tiktok.com, make sure you have a stable internet connection and try searching again. It's obviously the same process when you go to your mobile app. Make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is very stable so that there's not going to be any issue, right? Now, the next option that you can do from here is go to, now if that doesn't work, you might want to go to the upper right corner of your profile and click on the feedback and help. All right. Now from here, I need you to click on the report a problem and type in your concern. Of course, you can upload supporting media like a screenshot or video that would give the TikTok support staff and give you insights on how to fix the problem. And just click on submit and wait for the TikTok support to give you a message right here. And you would be able to receive a message or a DM or notification that they have a resolution for you to do it here in inbox. Now, the next option is, now if you are using an Android device, I need you to go to the app management and I need you to go to app list and search for the TikTok. Okay? And from here, what you need to do is to clear cache and data. Right here, click on that. As you can see, I have used 2.65 gigabyte. And all I'm going to do is clear storage and clear cache. Keep in mind that clearing data will log you out of the app, so you'll need to log back in afterward, all right? After doing so, try to restart your TikTok and then to see if that works. The next option is, I need you to go to your Play Store and check and install the most recent TikTok version. All right, because if you are using a TikTok outdated version, that could give you a problem on the TikTok search option. After that, open the TikTok app. I need you to hover to the hamburger menu on the upper right corner and click on settings and privacy. And from here, click on the report a problem. Right? And from here, submit a report and tell them you are having problem on the TikTok search is not working on your account. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.